This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations and cable systems of your area. We are testing equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies. If this had been an actual emergency such as civil emergency, immediate evacuation, tornado warning, tornado watch, child abduction emergency, and more, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system. Again, this is a coordinated monthly test of the emergency alert system for the San Francisco area. This only a test. We are testing equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies. We now tune you to regular programming.